Today's AI animal skeleton videos are currently generating millions of views. In this video, I will show you how to create such AI animal skeleton videos completely for free. Channels like Scale have posted just 17 videos and already gained over 50,000 subscribers. Every video gets several thousand views, so let me show you how you can easily create these videos yourself, completely free with AI tools. First, go to ChatGPT, click on Apps, then on GPT and search for X-ray animal reference. Start a new chat. Now write the type of animals you want to use for your video. I'll go with the monkey. ChatGPT will now generate 4 image prompts. We'll use these prompts to create reference images for our video. Now go to Grok AI and open the text to image section. Copy your first prompt from ChatGPT and click Generate. Wait a few seconds and you'll now get images of a monkey with a green screen background. Choose the image you like the most and download it. Now copy the remaining prompts from ChatGPT one by one into the text field. You will now get images of the monkey in the front view and the side view. Download the best images. To give your scene images a cool background, go back to ChatGPT, open Apps, then GPT, and search for the GPT model, Animal X-ray Shots, start a new chat. Now describe your video ID here as detailed as possible. I want the monkey to eat a banana. ChatGPT will now generate 4 scene prompts that describe in detail the background, the position of the monkey, and the camera position. Now go back to Grok AI and upload your reference green screen images we just created. It's best to insert the images one by one in order from scene 1 to 4 and add the matching prompts from ChatGPT. Press Generate. We now have a matching background for all images that previously had a green screen. Now we'll convert all images into videos. By the way, I recently published a free newsletter about YouTube automation and AI. I post valuable content weekly. Sign up for free, link in the description. We're now converting the images into videos. But first, we need a good video idea. For example, what happens when monkeys eat too many bananas? Now go to Grok's AI image to video section and upload the first image. Describe your story in single words in the prompt field. First, the monkey is slowly and calmly eating the bananas. Click Generate, wait a bit, and download the first video. For the second scene, upload the second scene image and write, for example, the monkey is eating the bananas faster and more aggressively. Download the video. For the third scene, upload the third scene image and write, the monkey is now getting fatter and eating more bananas. Download the video. Now upload the fourth image and write, the monkey is now fat and extremely unhappy. Don't forget to download. For the fifth and final scene, upload the matching image again and write, the monkey is now extremely fat and keeps eating the bananas. It ends with a boom. Now all your videos are done. Go back to ChatGPT and enter the following prompt. Tell ChatGPT that you now need a script for a voiceover matching the scene prompts you created. The script should be written short and captivating. Don't forget to briefly describe the 5 scenes so ChatGPT knows what your video is about. Click Generate and copy the finished script. Write prompt in the comments if you want all the prompts from this video. I'll send them to you. Open 11 Labs, choose a deep and calm voice. Paste the script in here and now generate your voiceover. Download it, now open your video editing software. You can use CapCut, Premiere Pro or any other software for this. I'm using CapCut here, add your finished videos and the voiceover. Select the correct format, 9:16, drag the voiceover onto the timeline and slightly increase the volume. Don't forget to delete the audio from the finished videos. Cut out unnecessary pauses. Now add your scenes matching the voiceover, first scene to first video, second scene to second video. If you want, you can add cool transitions like I did. Perfect.
A monkey sits under the warm jungle sun, slowly peeling a banana, taking calm, peaceful bites, enjoying the sweet taste like it's the best thing in the world. He starts eating faster now, peeling, biting, swallowing without pause. The calm is gone. Bananas drop to the ground as he grabs more and more, unable to stop.
Subscribe to my channel now so you always see my latest tutorials and give the video a like. All tools and prompts are linked in the description. Click here on my next video. See you there.